by now. Gates open, they're up and racing. We have Giant Saloon from the outside, moving up by the rail. Ladybird Johnson, Antares comes next, then comes Queen Mamba, Delightful Bell, followed by Sirius Susie, Diamond Dane, Head Spin is by the rail. Magic Mix also in there, then comes entry number 12. In that's Royal Viva, Agnes Claire running third last by the rail. King Manjo alongside Kind Hearted and Giant Saloon now running at the tail of the field. Heading towards the last 600, Ladybird Johnson in command by about a length, running on the outside and throwing a challenge now is entry number 1, the top favorite. Antares now catching the lead. Antares takes the lead over Ladybird Johnson. Magic Mix closing in on the outside. Then comes Delightful Bell by the release. Queen Mamba as they turn for home. We have the top favorite Antares this time by about 2 lengths. Queen Mamba moving up to take second and on the outside. Magic Mix with the last 150 more to run. Antares this time by about 2 lengths. Queen Mamba is on the outside. Antares over Queen Mamba in second. And finally, Antares, Queen Mamba. Magic Mix close with Giant Saloon. Then comes Royal Viva, Kind Hearted, Diamond Dane. Number 6, Delightful Bell, Agnes Claire, King Manjo, Sirius Susie, Head Spin, and Ladybird Johnson.